While everyone starts watching the Chesapeake Bay for cobia, another powerful fish is already beginning to move: red drum. As spring settles in and bay water temperatures climb into the upper 50s and low 60s, red drum behavior begins to change quickly. These fish respond to warming water, longer days, and the steady return of bait along flats, shoals, marsh edges, and lower bay structure. Not every red drum follows the same pattern. Smaller fish can remain in protected rivers and creeks through much of the year, shifting deeper during colder months before returning to shallower feeding areas as conditions improve. But many of the larger fish, especially the bull drum, follow a much broader Atlantic coastal migration. As coastal waters warm, they begin pushing north again, tracking bait and temperature along the shoreline until the Chesapeake becomes part of the feeding pattern. That movement rarely happens all at once. A few fish appear first, then more bait arrives. Then reports begin spreading from the lower bay, the shoals, the channels, and the mouths of rivers where current gathers food. This is what makes spring red drum fishing in the Chesapeake so interesting. It is not just about finding fish. It is about reading the season as it changes. South winds, warming shallows, moving tides, and increasing bait activity all begin to shape the pattern that experienced anglers watch closely this time of year. Red drum are built for this water. They cruise shallow flats, marsh edges, channel drops, and transition zones where bait fish, crabs, and current come together. Many Chesapeake red drum average between 18 and 26 inches and weigh around 3 to 10 pounds. Larger upper slot fish can push beyond 30 inches and exceed 20 pounds. But the bull drum is the fish that changes the mood of an entire day on the water. Some stretch past 50 inches and weigh more than 50 pounds. Virginia's state record red drum exceeded 90 pounds. The best feeding windows often occur during low light conditions, especially early mornings, late evenings, and during periods of a moving tide. Cut mullet, menhaden, blue crab, and peeler crab become prime natural baits as activity increases. Paddle tails, large soft plastics, and gold spoons can also produce aggressive strikes when fish begin pushing bait. Right now, warming water, bait movement, and seasonal weather shifts are beginning to line up across parts of the Chesapeake Bay, and experienced anglers know what usually comes next. When the Chesapeake red drum bite turns on, it does not stay quiet for long. Subscribe to River Realm Life for more Chesapeake Bay fishing reports, fish movement updates, and seasonal migration stories.